Here are 5 properties of inverse matrix. First, the inverse of A inverse is equal to A. Means that matrix A, the inverse of matrix A, then inverse of A inverse, we will get the ORI matrix A. The second property, A transpose, the inverse of A transpose is equal to A inverse transpose the A inverse. The third property, AB, matrix A times matrix B. Then find the inverse. The inverse of matrix AB is equal to inverse of matrix B times the inverse of matrix A. Okay, the fourth property, determinant of A inverse equals 1 over determinant of matrix A. The fifth property of inverse matrix, if matrix A times B equals matrix B times matrix A equals I, identity, AB equals BA equals I, identity, we can say that implies that B, matrix B equals inverse of matrix A, and matrix A equals inverse of matrix B. Okay, hence if matrix A times B equals alpha I, AB, matrix AB equals alpha I, alpha is considered constant, okay, I consider identity. Then we can conclude that, we can say that inverse of matrix A equals 1 over alpha times matrix B. Okay, and also for B inverse equals 1 over alpha times A. Okay, just remember that this one is property how to obtain inverse of matrix A. That's for the multiplication of the two matrices. Say that if you multiply the two matrices, and the answer is I, identity, where matrix A, matrix B are square matrices, then matrix B is called the inverse matrix of A, then is written as A inverse. B, A matrix B is equal to A inverse. Okay, so say that matrix A times matrix B equals matrix B times A equals I. Then try to replace matrix B with the A inverse. Okay, so matrix A times A inverse equals matrix A inverse times matrix A equals I. Okay, so actually when A times A inverse or A inverse times A, okay, the answer is identity matrix.